The people that we have on the front line providing services to patients and clients, that's daunting work. Our job as leaders and administrators is to make sure that they're able to do the best for people that we care for. We have relationships with hundreds of supporters, vendors, people that support us.
They are committed, they are passionate about the work.
Howard Peters has played many roles with Aunt Martha's, as an advisor, as a strategist, as a catalyst, as an individual that brings calm to the storm. When there's a storm, I don't know where I'd be, where the organization would be without him.
Wow. God has blessed me with a heart transplant and with a kidney transplant and with a cornea transplant. The healthcare system is hard for people. So when I see an organization like Aunt Martha's who is reaching out and serving those folks and trying to help them get the same level of care, the same level of attention that I got, yeah, I want to be a part of that.
I have an opportunity to work with Homero Tristan. I have a pleasure of working with Ricardo Meza, Meza Law. They really understand the work and they care about the people we serve.
I have been committed to helping others and serving the community. And I think Aunt Martha's is exactly that sort of organization.
With Aunt Martha's, you don't get a cookie cutter or out-of-box organization. You really get an organization that is, in my view, cutting edge. And when I think there is a outward attack on access to healthcare, especially in minority communities, and especially an attack on healthcare for women, you know, Aunt Martha's has stepped up and said that they will continue to serve and impact those communities.
Randy Mike, you're out from behind the cameras.
Yeah, this is what it looks like over here?
Yeah, it's a weird angle.
And you guys have told our story. I just don't think anybody else could have ever really have pulled it off in the way you guys are able to do it.
It just kind of clicked for me where everything I want to do as an artist and everything that I wanted to do in terms of helping people and doing good, it all just kind of came together.
I was working in Congress at the time the Affordable Care Act was going through, to go from that big picture and then get to be here in Illinois and see the impact that is happening on the ground thanks to you and Aunt Martha's. Yeah, it feels like the perfect place to be.
Aunt Martha's is so many things, like your healthcare, childcare, social services, all the work that you've done in terms of fighting the state, advocating for youth. And it's like when we make these videos, it's almost just like Aunt Martha's is a feeling,
You guys have really always been there when we were going into those difficult fights, those battles.
Aunt Martha's is proud of, and its leadership is proud of giving people opportunities, helping others, lifting people up. That's what they do to the community. That's what they do to the professionals they bring on board to help them.
Aunt Martha's represents, especially now, a beacon of hope and a beacon of doing the right thing.
When you're working with someone who is doing that kind of work, if they say nice things about you, I wish my mother was here.